Since it's pumpkin season, let's make some pumpkin peanut butter cups. First thing you're going to do is bake some pumpkin until fork tender, or open a can of pumpkin puree. Next, you will melt the chocolate, either using a double broiler or microwave. Pour boiling water in one bowl, place another one over it, make sure it's completely dry, and put the chocolate inside. I'm going to use white chocolate, but you can use milk or dark chocolate if you prefer it. Let that slowly melt. For the molds, you have a few options I'm showing you here. If you don't have a silicone mold, make sure to spray the inside with oil to prevent sticking. I'm going to use this half-sphere silicone mold, and I'm spreading the melted chocolate evenly with a spoon. Don't worry if it's not perfect, you will do a second layer. Leave the chocolate to set up in the fridge until hard, and in the meantime, get the pumpkin out of the oven and let it cool down. Once the first layer sets completely, spread a second layer over it and put it back in the fridge again to set up. Mash up the baked pumpkin with a fork. Add peanut butter and stir it up very well. At this point, I recommend taking out a small amount of the peanut butter and pumpkin and mixing it with a pinch of cinnamon to see if you like the flavor combination. If you like the peanut butter and cinnamon, go ahead and add it to the rest of the mixture and mix it up well. Get the chocolate cups out of the fridge. Your pumpkin and peanut butter mixture should be completely cool when you start filling the cups. Don't forget to leave a little edge of chocolate so you can seal the bottoms. Press down on the filling and level it off. Finally, spread a thick layer of chocolate, let it set, and you're done. Left is to carefully remove the pumpkin peanut butter cups from the molds and enjoy.